Hello, everyone. What's going on? Just bear with me for a little bit because I'm trying to do a multi-stream. Now, let me see here. I already started streaming on YouTube and TikTok. On YouTube and X. Let me see how it goes for TikTok. Guys, let me know if you can hear me pretty good. Just want to make sure that my sound is clear on both sides. If anyone could type in the chat to see if they could hear me or not, I would really appreciate it. All right, I guess I'm gonna get started with the news in the meantime, and then I'll take it from there. So, the first news of the day. Now it says Trader Peter Brandon says Bitcoin could still reach 200K, 250K one day, but not anytime soon. He believes a big price drop after may happen first based on past market cycle. Brandon warns that Bitcoin usually crashes hard before its next big rally. Long term, he stays bullish, but short term, he expects weakness and patience is needed. So one of the things that I did say, I I am still waiting for 74K BTC. I have that chart over there for good reason. Now from 74K, if we could hopefully have a real nice bounce back, that would be perfect. In the meantime, everything is kind of, in doubt. Long term, if you take a look at the weekly, I mentioned it, it's actually a pretty good setup when it comes to the weekly chart. Now, moving on, and I apologize if you guys are hearing background. Let me see. Like I said, this is my first time doing the multi-stream. I'm doing it from TikTok, YouTube, and X right now. That's why, TikTok, every time I start a hype. I have music on. Today, since I'm on YouTube, YouTube is very strict with the rules. So happy Monday, Milkshake. Welcome in, welcome in. Happy first of the month. All right, I see everyone on TikTok joining as well. Schmack, welcome in, welcome in. So XRP dropped about 14% in November, surprising many investors who expected gains. This happened even with new XRP ETF launching. The fall was caused mainly by profit taking and weak buying activity. December is unpredictable for XRP, so price could still go up or down depending. GFM, welcome in, welcome in. Now, this is the thing. Like when it comes to XRP, there's a little bit of a debate now whether ETF matter or it doesn't matter. And I addressed this already plenty of times that if they have a spot ETF, then yes, it does matter. If they have a future ETF, that does not affect the price at all, unfortunately. But it's just when it comes to the adoption portion, I feel that that's pretty great. All right. So thank you for the follow, Josh. Thank you, Emmanuel. I appreciate it. And whoever else just follow me on TikTok, guys, if you can, please hit the like button, share the live stream, tap on that screen, all that good stuff. How do you feel about XDC? I like XDC. I think it does have potential. Looking to buy more at lower level, but definitely yes. Should I buy a lot of XRP? Jay Breezy, I cannot tell you what to do. That is totally up to you. I cannot give you financial advice. The only thing I could tell you is do your own research. Burong over, bro. See you in 2030. Well, beyond, if that's how you feel, by all means, man, ain't no one stopping you. Like I tell people, I am not a financial advisor at all. I am just a content creator. I do research, and my research says it's not done. But hey, by all means, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm stacking cash and wait for bearish sentiment to settle. Yeah, Big Mike. See, one of the things that I was saying was make sure you guys at least use the 50-50 strategy, which is 50% in, 50% out, because you never know, right? Going all in the way that the market is right now, it's insanity, in my opinion. So you think we're going to bounce back? It's Q4, bro. Okay, it's Q4, but look, just do your research on that because even Tom Lee came out and say that he believes that they could be a Q1 run. So I got the news right here as well. Andrew B, what's going on? Welcome in. Accumulate a lot. Yeah. Mother Dragon, welcome in. Welcome in. Everyone, appreciate it. 65 people watching on TikTok. Thank you so much. Right now, I'm kind of low on views on X. I got 14 people. All right. So let me go continue with the news here. Zcash fell over 25% after a key technical indicator, RSI, turned bearish. Analysts say more downside may come, possibly towards 200, 350. The trend looked weak, and seller controlled the market for now. A recovery is unlikely unless overall crypto sentiment. OG Wadi, what's going on? Cheesiest, welcome in. What's up? What's up? So this is the thing. I did show you guys that Zcash looked like it was gonna drop to like around 260. Now another analysis is saying between 350 to 200. You know what that's called, people? Knowledge. Oh, Zach, what's going on? Welcome in. All right, so retail trader rushed to buy 6,870 BTC on Binance, while long-term holders were selling. This showed fear of missing out at high prices. After the buying spike, Bitcoin quickly pulled back. This pattern often signals short-term market top and incoming correction. So guys, I won't be able to do the chart here on X and uh, YouTube, but I am doing the charts on TikTok. Let me show you guys here. I don't know if y'all were here yet, like 2 days ago or so, that I did say, even though we're seeing the relief rally, I'm still not convinced that we're going to go any higher. And I wanted to see Bitcoin at least try to tap 98,000 over here, right? And it didn't. So instead, we got rejected right at 92,970, but we got rejected hard because this candle came out of nowhere. And now I do expect the next level, if we don't bounce back from 80,578, then we're definitely going to drop lower to 76,635 or even 74,382. Obviously, there's one thing that I am still slightly bullish, and this is the fact that the RSI on the 1 hour chart, 32.3, the 4 hour chart, 32.3, and the daily chart, 32.3, right? So you asking, well, why does that matter? Because usually the RSI below 50, that usually means that there's an indication that is going to continue going down, right? Now, above 50, there's an indication that's going to go up. The 30 level and the 70 level, why is it so important? Every time the RSI hit around 30, there needs to be a reset and it starts going up. And the same thing with when it goes above 70 or 80, it got to go and drop below. So for now, that's the only bullish scenario. What's going on, cash flow? That's the only bullish scenario that I am seeing when it comes to the crypto market. Other than that, um, things are looking a little scary over and over and over again. What's going on, Oceans? Welcome in, welcome in. So we'll see where exactly we're going to end up. Now, Arthur Hayes says Bitcoin is falling due to rising Japan bond yield and global liquidity tightening. Investors are moving away from risky assets like crypto. He warns Bitcoin could stay weak until central banks soften their policies again. So that was actually Caveman. Shout out to him. He was mentioning how the Japan bond yield 10-year could definitely impact the market. And I guess he's not the only one that's thinking that right now, right? I do have it here on the indicators, like just to keep track of it, because if we see a massive drop, then most likely that's also going to affect the crypto space. Okay, so heavy crypto price drop caused massive liquidation of leverage trader. Many long positions were instantly wiped out as price fell fast. This shows the danger of high leverage in crypto. Fear spread quickly across the market. So, brother, I've been watching that trade since 125K months run the world. Yeah, I noticed that. Mark and Michael, welcome in. William from Rise Up did a talk on Japan bond. It's making the rounds. Yeah. I mean, I do have the chart here. I just, like I said, well, for the people that are watching me on YouTube and X, I apologize that I'm not moving the charts around and I just have one chart standing still. But I'm also here on TikTok. Like I said, this is my first time doing a multi stream, trying to see if I could handle, because I got the laptop here and I got my desktop here. So if I don't address you immediately when you walked in to the live stream. I do apologize. All right. Japan injected money into their economy because they're falling on their face. I could see that. No more free money, market makers shuffling their deck. Yeah, that's the thing. That reality is that smack. They're definitely playing around with everyone. Multi live, let's go. Now we're talking. Yeah, Joe, well, appreciate it, man. Twitch next. I think I would rather go with Cake, but we'll see, bro. Um, all right, so moving down. Ethereum ETF saw strong gains during the week, while Bitcoin and Solana also stayed positive. Investor interest in Ethereum is rising again. These suggest confidence is slowly returning to a large crypto asset after recent market stress. So, what I would love is that we start seeing Ethereum going back above, or at least 4,000 and so, and hopefully all the other altcoins to follow along. But it doesn't seem like that's gonna really happen, unfortunately. At least not anytime soon. I stay out of the market entirely, just pulling my funds. Yeah, I mean, hey, right now it's scary time to be in the market. That's reality. All right, now prediction markets is coming to the broker near you. Brokers may soon offer prediction market where users bet on real world event like interest rate decision. This became possible after regulatory approval tied to Polymarket. These market will sit alongside stocks and crypto in normal trading app. So everyone, I mean, I'm not saying betting is the best thing, but most likely it looks like get ready. Fake chat starting in the house. Mods, handle him, please. Bitcoin fell under 87,000 after a shock in Japanese yield bond. About 150 billion was erased from the crypto market. Thin trading volume made the drop worse. More downside is possible if Bitcoin fails to recover above 90K. So there's still some type of hope, people. Marco, thank you. I appreciate you. Everyone that is gifting, everyone that's hitting the like button, I appreciate you guys. Mike, welcome in, welcome in. I appreciate you. So, and here, 23 people watching between X and YouTube. I know, guys, I'm just getting back into this, so it's okay. I'll get back to my full blown stage where I used to have 100 people or better on the live stream. I do apologize to everyone. I just left you kind of hanging, but too much drama was going on between X and YouTube. Thank you for your time, Wadi. I appreciate you, Fredrum. Appreciate you. All right. So Coinbase executive, including Mark Anderson, were sued for allegedly selling billions in stock while hiding risk from investors. The lawsuit claimed they sold at high prices before negative news became public. Billions in damage are being sought. Youch. For fun, welcome in, welcome in. You're awesome, Wadi. Buzz Buddha, thank you. I appreciate you. I see 118 people on TikTok. You guys rock. Okay, so Epic, welcome in. What's going on, brother? All right, so that is something unexpected. I'm guessing that's probably one of the reasons why the coin stock, it's not looking too hot. I thought it was just the regular crypto market reaction, but I guess not. It's a dirty business. Yes, it is, GNX. All right, so Ripple won a major license in Singapore, allowing it to expand XRP and RLUSD payment services. Bank and fintech firm can now use Ripple for cross-border payment and custody. This boosts real-world adoption in Asia, which Asia is a big market, and I know a lot of people are disappointed with the XRP price, but reality is this: apart from Bitcoin and Ethereum and Solana, XRP is right up there. That is the reason why XRP is still one of the top 5 coins in crypto. So it's never financial advice. Just saying, guys, you know, take a deeper look at what's going on over there before you start judging. All right. Um, Vitalik Buterin warned that token-based voting could weaken Zcash privacy. He says whales may control decision, pushing profit over privacy. This could slowly damage Zcash core mission if adopted. Epic says preach. What is used for Lord is all upgradable. Yeah, for fragile menstrual. Market one product, non promises a smack. Like I get it. But see, this is the thing. When Bitcoin was here, right? What promises did Bitcoin make? Other than the promise of decentralization, which obviously, governments are taking over. So at least, when it comes to XRP, there is a company behind them. It is American based. We still don't know who the creator of Bitcoin is. Just saying, like I got my reserves with that. So Tom Lee believes Bitcoin may reach a new all-time high by January. He expects short-term weakness first, then a rebound. He points to improving economic condition and future rate cut as key driver. No, it's all good, Schmack. It's all good. Like I said, I don't pick size. I know there's a XRP fan team, and I know there's a XRP hate team. So I don't pick side, but I do keep it real with everyone. I'll tell you guys what I'm seeing. So if you listen or not, that is totally up to you. There's nothing I could do about that. Because, like I said, at the end of the day, it's never financial advice. All right, here it's a coin that I actually, you know, I discarded a long time. Pi Network. Pi Network will unlock 190 million token in December. This could increase selling pressure and cause price volatility. If support breaks, price may fall further. A gaming partnership may help offset some selling. My thing about Pi Network, guys, is that I really feel like they lost their touch. They should have took advantage while there was a lot of hype around Pi, and they didn't. They just let Pi drop like it was hot, and they didn't use the marketing or anything like that. So I feel like Pi gave everyone a lot of promises, and none of them were kept, especially on the IOU. I don't know if you guys saw the IOU, but the IOU did go to 360, and everyone thought that when the actual raw pie got released, we was gonna see 360 or better. It didn't happen that way. So yeah, not even $3.20. What's going on, Runner? Welcome in, bro. Appreciate you. All right, Chainlink, guys. Chainlink price could rise to $20 if a US SPY ETF launches. The token recently dropped due to market weakness. ETF demand could bring new buyers, but downside risk remain if the market stays bearish. C Hicks, welcome in. What's going on? 121 people watching on TikTok. You guys are truly the best. 28 people watching on X and YouTube. I appreciate you guys as well. So, with Chainlink, in my opinion, is just right now, price action does look scary, but it's a long term for me when it comes to Chainlink. I haven't bought in yet, but the Oracle and banks do want to use it and everything else. Yeah. Binance Blockchain Week, December 3 to 4. Fazuka upgrade December 3rd. Yeah, run up. December 3rd is actually my mom's birthday. So, very important day. What do you think Paul Hawkins will talk about tomorrow? I don't know, run up. I actually missed the live stream that was going on with what's his face, Jerome Powell. So if you have any news on that, bro, let me know. Did you saw the link? Yeah, I did post the link tree, Joe. Well, thank you, Run Up. I appreciate it. All right, talking about another good blockchain, right? AVAX dropped recently, but trading volume increased. Bitwise filed for a staking ETF, which could lock up supply and boost long-term demand. A rebound is possible if investor confidence returns. Bullish on the Bitwise ETF. Do you think, oh my God, abstain being Satoshi? No way. Literally, no way. I know there's a lot of narrative out there, but no, 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 no. I'm sorry, but abstain doesn't even look smart enough for all of that. What's going on, Narrow Path? Welcome in, bro. Only if you drink the green Kool-Aid. All right, so Ripple president praised Singapore clear regulation after Ripple won a major license. The approval allow full crypto payment service using XRP and RLUSD. This strengthens Ripple presence in Asia financial system. I just realized it is the same news, just different detail. What's going on, Left Brain? Welcome in, welcome in. So, yo, Selmo Fudd in the house. What's going on, brother? Welcome in. Appreciate you, man. All right, so banks are rethinking the business as stablecoin grows fast. People may move money from banks into stablecoin. Some banks plan to launch their own stablecoin or partner with crypto firms to stay competitive. Now they're realizing they can't compete. That's why they hate crypto. Wait, I want to see Schmack blushing. For fun. Schmack, you want to come on the live and open your camera and blush for a little bit? I don't know how that works, but yeah, is BTC gonna run? Esberg, what I am looking at BTC is going to run down, not up. But hey, Still good, right? Yes, please bring her up. I don't, gentlemen. Haha. Oh, good, schmack. All right, so going down, the chat is active today. Want to bet what do you mean, Ronald? Well, what do I want to bet? That Bitcoin is dropping now? Look, bro, you bet BTC is gonna hit 90K before 82K. I bet it's on, bro. Just get ready to give up. Well, wait. What are we betting, Rana? You do remote program before entering your live. Here we go. What do I want it to be? Let's see. Let's do 50 bucks, Rana. Okay. I don't want to leave you broke. Brother, we in a bear market now. Landon, I don't believe so. Ocean says not money. Oceans, but that's what makes it fun, bro. Take your money out of crypto and put Uber. It will be 90s again this week. 25 XRP. I run up bet. Done deal then. No rule pump until 2026, and then the tariff and regulation are the reason why. Well, that's the thing, Selmo. I've been trying to tell people that I do believe there will be a run around Q2 or late Q1. That's just what I think, but we'll see. Wally Bet confirmed I run up. Oh, good, man. Take it, Joe, throwing money around. Hey, I don't know about that, Fredrum. The boys of wisdom, welcome in. 122 people watching on TikTok. Guys, thank you. 37 people watching on X and YouTube. Thank you, guys. Like I said, I'm just getting started again, so it's gonna be slow, but yeah. All right, guys. The last piece of news here. Then you guys tell me if you want me to take a look at any charts. Bitcoin price are falling while miners suffer from low profit and high costs. Many miners are near break, even or losing money. Some may shut down if price don't recover, putting pressure on the mining industry. Which, if some of the miners shut down, that's actually not good for crypto, not good for Bitcoin at all. We need that hash rate up and running for security and a whole bunch of other reasons. Miners shutting down could also cause a price drop in case people do not know. Slow is the way to go. I agree, Fish. What's going on, man? It only happened they're upgrading data center. That's why you see that. What do you mean? Like with the minor fragile? My thoughts on Ada. I like Cardano. I just feel that they need to do something. I heard there's a proposal for 70 million, and they're going to include a few upgrades. So we'll see what's going on. California Wolf in the house. Welcome in. Go follow Wadi Social to his link tree and bio. Yeah, guys, I created a new link tree, so appreciate all of you. You follow me on all social medias. Let's get Wadi to Rumble, Wadi Crypto Warrior, new WF Superstar. Yo, stop, bro. That's funny though. When miners stop selling, we're at a bottom. Real quick. So excited to see you back. Betty, what's going on, Betty? Thank you. I appreciate you. It's been a minute. Um, yeah, I mean, I'm back, ready to shine again. That's all I could say. Even though I never really left, I just stopped live streaming. I was posting here and there. But I appreciate you. So far, grateful for the people watching. So, guys, keep it coming. Keep it coming. Uh, the, 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 the Web3 got you to do that. Awesome. Yeah, Web3 was like, man, do the link tree, do the link tree. And I said, let me do it. Andrew, in the house, I prefer YouTube. We can actually see the whole chat. What up, Andrew? Welcome in, welcome in. Yeah, the thing is that, Andrew, that either way, you know, both platforms are great, but let's be honest, on TikTok, I've been growing like crazy, man. That's why me personally, I'll go with TikTok. Got a great community over here. Like a Ninja Turtle pizza time, BRB. Hi, Stark, enjoy that pizza, man. Say don't forget to say hello to Master Splinter for me. Give me a second, guys. Get it out. Gracias. Okay, so let me see. James Burton, welcome, welcome. What's good, YouTube? What's going on? All right, guys. Now tell me, what coin do you want me to take a look at? And I'll take a look at. Even though every chart, it's looking pretty scary right now, except for gold and silver. If you guys like to trade gold or you like to trade silver, they're looking pretty good. For gold, hopefully we break through the 4,247 about there, and then we could possibly go to the next stop, which is 4,038. Every time frame, it's screaming bullish. The RSI in the 1 hour, 4 hour, and the daily times frame, it's at 65. So if you like gold, you like silver, and crypto, it's not treating you like it should, then guys, go take a look over there. There's money left in Pudgy Penguin. I don't know. I haven't checked out Pudgy Penguin lately. Let me check Pudgy Penguin. As a matter of fact, let me see if there's any coin that's green today. All right, so Veracity, but I don't know. I feel like they did lost their touch. So I'm not too bullish on that one. Let me check out Pudgy Penguin real quick. Pudgy, 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 Pudgy. And by the way, guys, my X live stream is only gonna be for an hour and on YouTube. Once I'm done with them, then I'll open up the panel and we could go crazy. We got more freedom on TikTok. So over here, I cannot even play music, guys. Well, if I was probably just streaming on X, probably, yeah.
I could sing for you if you want.
No, Wolf, no. How you got up
Listen,
here, Wolf? I'm kidding. What's
I don't
going
know.
on, man?
Somebody let me come up. I don't know. Maybe one of you mods. But listen, the reason why I asked to request up is
What's
I
up?
heard from I heard from Slayer that because the market was so bad, if anyone needed a loan, that we can come to see you. So that's why I'm here.
Oh, so you came to see me for long? Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you like this, man. Slayer really believes in me. Okay.
How you doing, brother? How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good, bro. How about you?
Good, good, good. Family, everybody okay?
Yes, everything is perfect. Can't
Well,
complain.
that's good. That's good. And if you have a complaint, you know what? Call Slayer. Okay.
Oh no, no, that's probably the only complaint. I'm gonna text him and be like, bro, what do you mean? I'm supposed to be some kind of loan shark or something? Nah.
No, I already, I did a Wadi. I already messaged him saying that you were talking smack talk about him, so he should be here shortly.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Some. But you see. Oh, by the way, thank you for the Galaxy joke. I just realized it. That's the thing. Like, I don't know if you noticed, but Slayer is like Beetlejuice, man. You mentioned his name 2 or 3 times, he pop out out of nowhere. Watch.
Somebody just put in the chat. He even looks like Beetlejuice. Who the hell put that there?
What's going on 24/7? Welcome in.
Anyway, listen, I just wanted to come in and say hi and say hello to the community. But Wadi, always love and respect for you, my friend. Okay, and the family. We'll see you again real soon. Okay.
Likewise, California Wolf. I appreciate you, brother. Have a good one.
Take care, my friend. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Yeah, these are the shenanigans, guys, that we deal on TikTok. It's always a fun time over here. So this is what I'm saying. This is where it's at. 3.25. I need them strong. Wait, what? Can you educate me on an XPR? So that's the thing, Epic. I don't know too much on XPR. The one thing that I do know is that they are listed as an ISO 222 compliant coin. You could go to CoinMarketCap. Their ecosystem, it's pretty unique. They have a pretty secure wallet. You could do lending, staking. I mean, it's impressive, man. There are some people that have their doubts on XBR, but at the same time, it looks like banks, I don't want to say it 100%, but definitely banks might be interested. Subale Wadi, Jesus, welcome in. Scotty Dog, my bro, what's going on, man? Welcome in. Show me the money, maybe. I mean, look, Epic, not financial advice, but do look into it because it's a pretty good ecosystem. And you know what's funny? Metal, which is here, it's also linked to XPR, and both of them are in the ISO 222 department. But my guy, CCS, that's the one that knows literally the entire ecosystem when it comes to XPR. This is the website here. If you guys want to go check it out, this, oops, go to site, and this is their wallet. So you could use their exchange as well. You click on trade, it's going to lead you to the exchange. You see, so it's a pretty good ecosystem, in my opinion. And this is their wallet, which is one of the most secure wallet that I've seen in crypto so far. Web3 glossary in the house. Welcome in, welcome in. By the way, guys, thank you, 52 people watching on X. I appreciate it. Wow. Sorry, guys. My mom in the background screaming like a maniac on a phone call. What scared me is the top wallet. Yeah, Epic. I know. I saw that too, bro. Jesus, guys. That's her moving her chair, okay? I didn't fart or anything, okay? Just saying. Oh, good, Epic. Anytime, bro. Anytime. Chill Whale in the house. What's going on, brother? On YouTube as well. Welcome in. Welcome in. Guys, I'm gonna open the panel in 15 minutes, but before I open the panel, I will close my X and YouTube live stream because you like to get wild sometimes, you know? I'll probably get so many violation on YouTube that they're gonna be like, nope, we don't want you on this platform. All right, let me see. Can you repeat the wallet you just mentioned? It's called Web Auto. That's from the XPR ecosystem. So you see here, you go to connect, and you could do the one from the browser. I mean, I got it, but it's pretty impressive. Let me authorize it real quick, and that's it. I'm already in. So the way I got in so quick, it literally used my biometrics. So one of the most secure wallets I see, in my opinion. Okay, so with that being said, guys, what coin you want me to take a look, or you want me to research? I go also do research on coins as well. I prefer not to do meme coins, but if it is something that's making noise, then I'll take a look and see. Bonk, yeah. Let me take a look at Bonk right now. NH bar. So one at a time. You hear any news on H bar that I may have missed? Not lately, Blind Space. Let me see real quick. I know some people are talking about supposedly don't sell your shit because it could be a big mistake. Me personally, I feel like they lost, they dropped the ball a while back as well. Don't look at Bong, that's my beer money. Russ, TJ, thank you for the heart me. Guys, if you can, 20K likes, I appreciate it. Continue tapping on the screen. Send me some hard meats. We'll really appreciate that. It just helps the algorithm push me out even further. Yeah, so bunk right now, chill whale. It's about to break the support level right here, which has 8444. Once we break below that, then most likely, damn man, we're talking about the fours, meaning what 504, which is ouch. You're going to lose the wager, Wadi. I don't know about that one, Rana. CBCN network. All right, let me take a look at each bar and then I'll take a look at CBCN. Guys, if you want to see me do the full chart, make sure you also following me on TikTok. It's easier for me to control the chart from there because I'm using my desktop. So, H bar, H bar, H bar. Here we go. Yeah, H bar got a break in order around 1284. And then the next level would be around 12, yeah, 12 cents. Breaking below that, we could see a free fall. I don't see no support, no resistance all the way until right here. Support around 7 cents. Buddy, how low you think XOM would drop in there? That's a good question, Rusty, because maybe 12 cents. SM58, welcome in. I would say between 12 cents or 10 cents. Bond fundamentally change being first being listed on Swiss exchange. Nice. I have Exodus, it's okay. This wallet, what you think? And how you see Solana 6 months from now? I hope Solana, if my theory plays out, that the last push is going to be around March, April, May, then I hope to see Solana at least around 500 or better. No guarantees, but I really think it can. Now, let me check. Um, well, you know what, guys? Let me actually end the live stream on YouTube and on X. I appreciate you guys. 55 people watching over here. Uh, each and every one of you rock. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It lags a little